AC Bonifacio.
And I'm Ashley Ortega.
At sasagutin namin yung mga questions niyo galing sa Reddit.
Yes, let's go!
Yes!
Yes, definitely yes. Kasi wala eh, iba yung
Peaceful yung
yes, iba yung nabuong
Yung
bond
life.
sa loob. At
Yes.
ibang experience talaga sa loob ng bahay nila. So, definitely yes.
Hindi po. I enjoyed my journey so much. Whatever happened in that house was so pure and genuine. And whether that be good or bad, I know everything in the house was settled and really ended off nicely. So I don't want to rewatch it and rethink my actions na, hala, bakit ganon, ganon, ganon? Because I know in that house we're truly a family.
Ako naman hindi ko napanood kasi parang I have to catch up sa outside world eh. So, mas tumutok ako to talk to my loved ones, to my family, to my mga taong mahal ko sa buhay. Mas doon ako nag-focus. Kasi again, it's been 1 week pa lang eh. So, parang medyo fresh pa rin. So, wala akong time para manood ng episode ng PB. Wala akong time matulog, di ba? So, parang tuloy-tuloy kasi yung mga naging ganaps after the eviction. So, wala pa ako napapanood. Actually, kahapon na ako nakapanood ng one whole episode, yung sa nominations ulit. So, dun pa lang ako nakapanood. Oh,
Yes, parang we were
definitely.
friends naman the whole time. When were we not friends?
True. Okay naman po kami sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya hanggang sa labas. We maintain a friendship. Why
Yes,
not?
especially now na may
Yeah.
collab na and I'm getting to visit GMA and she's getting to visit
Tsaka lagi
ABS.
kami magkasama ngayon ni AC. Simula
Definitely.
simula sa bahay ni Kuya, everyday
Oo,
magkasama.
everyday na.
Everyday kami magkasama ni AC up to this day. So parang sana, di ba, kung given a chance na magka-work together, parang
Yeah.
go naman. Parang 1 month straight na nga tayong everyday
Yes,
magkasama.
every day of ate. If I could tell you one thing to someone I feel closest to in PBB, thank you for being my comfort person. I appreciate you.
If I could tell you one thing to someone who I am closest with in PBB is, thank you for inspiring us.
Oh, I have a better one. Can I sorry. If I could tell you one thing to the person I'm closest to, just be yourself. Be yourself. Do not question your position in the house. Just enjoy and be yourself.
If I could tell you one thing sa isa sa mga na-nominate, simple lang, laban lang, kaya mo yan.
If I could tell you one thing sa mga nominees, sa isa sa mga nominees, you had a good journey. Be proud of yourself. You did well, and we are gonna be here sa outside world for you.
Games pa kayo. I've been seeing you for a while. Ashley Ortega and AC! Yung PBB sa inyong isipan noon at yung PBB na naranasan nyo ngayon, may pagkakaiba? Tama ba yung inyong expectations of what transpires inside out, Kuya?
There was a lot. Because as a casual viewer of PBB, you really do think the comments of what people are thinking now na parang ang OA naman, bakit sila
Ngayon nang galing ka sa bahay, what do
Now
you
that
feel
I'm in it, I understand. Everything is heightened totally.
Okay.
Everything you feel, your emotions are so much higher than what it actually looks like. Ako, nag-enjoy ako. It's nice to see a new environment, to meet new people, to see how it works over here. Yun po, I'm so excited to be able to see Tito Boy once again and be able to do this interview with you, ate.
Actually, the other day, yun talaga yung first time ni AC dito sa GMA. And isa ako sa mga nag-tour sa kanya. Dito pa sa building na to. So, parang I'm happy na she gets to step here inside GMA Network. At na-meet na rin niya yung mga ibang mga heads ng GMA.
Yes.
And I feel like she's enjoying. And very welcome naman talaga kami
Oo.
sa mga artists na hindi pa nakakapunta dito. And I feel like she's also enjoying.
I really am.
Parang
Para siyang maze dito. Ina-explore ko lahat.
same kasi nagkapamilya rin ako, nag-ABS-CBN ako, and it was her who entertained me there.
Yes.
So parang same lang din.